Did you know that over half of fatal car accidents in the United States happen at night? Not because drivers are reckless, but because they literally cannot see what's coming. Roads are emptier, speeds are lower, yet the risk of a deadly crash skyrockets the moment the sun goes down. Headlight glare, poor contrast, eye fatigue, and tiny mistakes inside your own car quietly destroy your night vision every single day. The scary part is this: most drivers never realize their car is making night driving more dangerous. In this video, I am going to expose powerful car hacks that instantly improve night driving, kill blinding glare, and give you control after dark. Some of these take under 60 seconds to do. You will never drive at night the same way again. Let's get started. Hack number 11. Restore night vision. Killer no one talks about. Most drivers obsess over washing the outside of their windshield but completely ignore the inside. And that's one of the biggest reasons night driving feels blurry and stressful. Over time, the interior glass builds up an invisible film made from dashboard plastics, air fresheners, vaping residue, and even your breath. At night, this thin haze turns headlights into starbursts and causes intense glare that strains your eyes. To clean inside of your windshield, park your car in the shade or garage, take a clean microfiber cloth, and spray an alcohol-based glass cleaner directly onto the cloth. Once the film is removed, light passes cleanly through the glass instead of exploding across your vision. The difference is instant. Road signs sharpen, glare drops dramatically, and your eyes feel noticeably less tired within minutes of driving. Many drivers describe it as upgrading their headlights without changing a single bulb. Hack number 10. Adjust your side mirrors to kill headlight glare. If headlights from cars behind you constantly blind you, your mirror angles are likely wrong. Most people aim side mirrors too far inward, which reflects bright lights directly into their eyes at night. A simple adjustment can fix this instantly. Sit in your normal driving position, adjust the left mirror outward until you can barely see the side of your car, then stop. Next, lean toward the center console and adjust the right mirror the same way. The result is immediate. Less squinting, fewer headaches, and no more momentary blindness when a tall SUV pulls up behind you. Once set correctly, night driving feels calmer and far less aggressive on your eyes. Hack number 9. Drive with a relaxed grip. Night driving stress often starts in your hands before it ever reaches your eyes. To perform this hack, loosen your grip on the steering wheel so your hands are firm but relaxed, not clenched. Position your hands comfortably and keep your shoulders relaxed rather than hunched forward. A tight grip sends stress signals to your brain, narrowing your visual field and increasing tension. When your body relaxes, your eyes naturally widen their scanning range and process movement more smoothly. Steering inputs become gentler and more controlled. This calm driving posture lowers fatigue and improves awareness. The more relaxed your body is, the clearer and more confident your night driving becomes. Hack number 8. Use the night mode lever on your rearview mirror. That tiny tab under your rearview mirror isn't decorative. It is one of the most underrated night driving tools ever made. To activate it, simply flip the lever downward once the sun sets, or when headlights behind you become distracting. This slightly tilts the mirror and engages a dimming effect that reduces the brightness of incoming light without removing visibility. You will still see the vehicle behind you, just without the painful glare. This prevents your pupils from constantly shrinking and expanding, which is a major cause of eye fatigue. When your eyes stay relaxed, your focus stays locked on the road ahead instead of reacting to light behind you. Hack number 7. Restore headlight clarity. Cloudy or yellow headlights don't just look bad, they dramatically reduce how far your headlights can project light. To perform a quick clarity restoration, start by washing the headlights with soap and water, then drying them completely. Apply a small amount of toothpaste onto a microfiber cloth and rub it firmly in circular motions over the lens. Focus especially on yellowed or hazy areas where oxidation is strongest. After a few minutes, wipe the residue away with a damp cloth and dry again. This removes surface oxidation that scatters light instead of projecting it forward. Once restored, your headlights produce a sharper, longer beam. Many drivers are shocked by how much darker the road looked before fixing this. Hack number 6. Dim your dashboard lights slightly. Brighter doesn't mean better when it comes to interior lighting. An overly bright dashboard forces your eyes to constantly shift focus between the glowing interior and the dark road ahead. This slows reaction time and increases fatigue during long night drives. To dim your dashboard light, locate the dashboard dimmer control near the steering wheel or light stalk and slowly reduce brightness until your gauges are still readable but no longer glowing aggressively. This allows your eyes to remain adapted to darkness instead of constantly refocusing between bright interior lights and the road ahead. This also reduces eye strain during long night drives. The result is smoother focus, less fatigue, and a noticeable improvement in nighttime awareness. Hack number 5. Switch to warmer color headlight bulbs. Most drivers assume the whitest or bluest headlights offer the best night visibility, but that belief actually works against your eyes. So, check your current headlight bulb color rating, that is usually printed on the bulb box or listed in your owner's manual. Replace ultra-cool bulbs with warmer color bulbs in the 4,300 Kelvin to 5,000 Kelvin range. These warmer tones produce light that the human eye processes more naturally in darkness. Warmer light cuts through darkness more smoothly, making lane markings, road edges, and obstacles stand out sooner. Installation is usually simple. Remove the old bulb, avoid touching the glass of the new one, and reinstall securely. Once switched, night driving feels calmer, depth perception improves, and your eyes fatigue far less on long drives. Hack number 4. Clean and align your headlight aim. Even powerful headlights are useless if they're aimed wrong. Over time, potholes, bumps, or suspension wear can cause headlights to point too high or too low. When misaligned, they either blind other drivers or fail to illuminate the road ahead properly. Park your car on level ground facing a wall about 25 feet away and turn on your headlights. The brightest part of each beam should sit slightly below headlight height and be level side to side. If one beam is higher or lower, locate the adjustment screws behind the headlight housing and turn them slowly. Make small adjustments and recheck alignment against the wall. This improves forward visibility and reduces glare reflected back into your eyes. Correct headlight aim instantly makes night driving safer and more comfortable. Hack number 3. Use yellow or anti-glare night driving glasses. Night driving glasses only help if they're used correctly, and most people use the wrong type. Choose lenses designed specifically for night use with anti-reflective coating. Wear them only after sunset, never during the day or in rain-heavy darkness. These lenses reduce harsh reflections from headlights and soften glare without blocking important light. This keeps your eyes relaxed and reduces squinting during night drives. Drivers who suffer from light sensitivity often feel immediate relief. When used properly, these glasses improve comfort, focus, and confidence behind the wheel after dark. Hack number 2. Clean and condition wiper blades for clear night vision. At night, even a slightly dirty windshield becomes 10 times worse when wiper blades smear grime instead of clearing it. To clean your wiper blades, lift each wiper blade and wipe the rubber edge using a microfiber cloth dampened with rubbing alcohol or windshield washer fluid. You will be shocked at how much black residue comes off, and that grime causes streaks and glare when light hits the glass. After cleaning, apply a tiny amount of rubber conditioner or silicone spray to keep the blades flexible. Flexible blades maintain proper contact with the glass, especially in cold or dry conditions. This reduces streaking, ghosting, and light scatter during night rain or mist. Clear wipes mean sharper vision, less glare, and fewer sudden visibility drops when headlights reflect off water. Hack number 1. Keep tires properly inflated for better night. Night driving is not just about seeing clearly, it is also about how confidently your car responds. Before driving, check your tire pressure when the tires are cold using a reliable gauge. Inflate them to the manufacturer's recommended PSI listed on the driver's side door jamb, not the tire sidewall. Underinflated tires reduce steering precision and increase stopping distance, which becomes more dangerous at night when reaction time is limited. Properly inflated tires respond instantly to steering inputs and maintain better contact with the road. This stability allows you to scan farther ahead instead of constantly correcting your path. Better control reduces mental stress and improves overall night driving confidence. At the end of this video, I want to say that night driving doesn't have to feel blinding, stressful, or exhausting. But most problems come from small mistakes almost no one fixes. Now that you know these hacks, you can transform how your car feels after sunset in just minutes. See you in the next video.